Ang aming 2 packs po ay kung 2 nights kayo, 1,450 per night. So times 2 yan kasi 2 nights. Kung 3 nights po ay 1,398 per night. At syempre kung overnight po kayo, 1,698. That's from 7 p.m. to 4 p.m. Kung 1 week po kayo is 1,215 per night. Pwede rin po kami hanggang 1 month, but this offer is until November lang po. 1 month naman is 990 per night. Solo yung buong bahay, no hidden charges, all in po yan. 400 Mbps, pwede mag-cook, pwede mag-grill, pwede mag-accept ng bisita, may extra pamalit po tayo pagka 3 weeks or longer. May free Netflix, free popcorn, free parking, walking distance sa highway, serviceable ng Grab, Lalamove, Foodpanda. Guaranteed na tahimik, malinis, mabango. Secured, may CCTV po tayo na 2 sa labas ng bahay. Gated, may screen windows and door. At